Welcome to a journey where time dissolves, revealing the hidden truths of our past through the lens of advanced technology. Have you ever wondered what the legendary Cleopatra actually looked like, beyond the stone statues and the ancient, faded paintings? Imagine standing face to face with Napoleon, seeing the raw emotion in his eyes before he commands his vast armies. What if we could walk through the burning library of Alexandria and save the lost knowledge before it turns to ash? These are not just fantasies or movies, but scientific reconstructions driven by data, bringing the dust of history back to life. We are blurring the lines between the past and present, offering you a front row seat to the greatest stories ever told. This is AI Historical Reconstruction, where we combine rigorous historical research with cutting-edge artificial intelligence to resurrect a forgotten world. Our mission is simple yet ambitious, to transform static textbook descriptions into breathing, moving realities that you can truly experience. We do not just tell stories, we rebuild the environment, the people, and the atmosphere using millions of historical data points. Prepare to immerse yourself in a visual experience that is as educational as it is breathtakingly beautiful and emotionally resonating. From the sands of Egypt to the castles of Europe, let us explore the four main pillars of our channel. First, we rebuild ancient cities. Witness the hanging gardens of Babylon in their full, lush glory, defying the desert heat. Walk the streets of Rome when the Colosseum was new, hearing the roar of the crowd and seeing the marble shine. Fly over the majestic temples of Tenochtitlan, rising from the lake, showcasing advanced engineering that rivals our modern urban planning. Second, we bring historical figures to life. See Abraham Lincoln deliver his address, not as a statue, but a man. Watch Leonardo da Vinci in his studio, capturing that enigmatic smile, his hands stained with the pigments of the Renaissance. We analyze skulls and portraits to reconstruct faces with precision, giving you a chance to look history directly in the eye. Third, explore culture and daily life. Experience the elegance of a Victorian ball, hearing the rustle of silk and music. Sit inside a Viking longhouse, smelling the smoke and meat, understanding their community bonds beyond the battles and the raids. We pay attention to the smallest details, from the fabric of a peasant's tunic to the jewelry of a powerful queen. Finally, we decode mysteries. We use AI simulations to analyze the sinking of the Titanic, testing theories with physics engines. Watch how the massive stones of Stonehenge were likely moved and erected, solving engineering puzzles that have baffled scholars for centuries. We apply modern forensic algorithms to cold cases of the past, shading new light on events shrouded in shadow and secrecy. You might wonder how we achieve this. We utilize deep learning and neural networks to predict missing textures and facial features. By training our models on thousands of artifacts, we can fill in the gaps of history with high probability and accuracy. While artistic interpretation exists, our foundation is always rooted in verified data, ensuring respect for the legacy of our ancestors. If you are ready to travel through time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We want to hear from you. Which historical figure or ancient mystery should we reconstruct in our very next video release? Join our growing community of history enthusiasts and technology lovers as we redefine how the past is remembered and visualized. Thank you for watching. This is AI Historical Reconstruction, bringing the past to life. See you in the next time capsule.